A very good morning to all friends. Today we will going to discuss one of the interesting topic, that is the Indian cinema. Before going to discuss the topic in details, we will see the contents. What are the areas we are going to cover in this topic? First of all, we will see the cinema of India, history of Indian cinema, the evolution of Indian cinema, father of Indian cinema, Bollywood, the importance of Bollywood, what are the impacts of Bollywood on Indian culture, and lastly the conclusion. So let's start the topic. The cinema of India. The cinema of India consists of films produced in the nation of India. Cinema is immensely popular in India. Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Kochi, Bangalore, Guwahati and Bhubaneswar Cuttack are the major centers of film production in India. Indian cinema is a global enterprise. Global enterprises such as Universal Pictures, 20th Century Fox, Sony Pictures, Walt Disney Pictures and Warner Bros. Invested in the industry along with the Indian enterprises such as AVM Productions, Sun Pictures, Suresh Productions, UTV, Eros International, etc. Next, biopics including Dangal became transnational blockbusters, growing over $300 million worldwide. Let's come to next slide, that is the history of Indian cinema. The Indian cinema industry dates back to the 19th century, more than 100 years ago. The father of Indian cinema, Dadasaheb Phalke, released the first ever full-length feature film by name Raja Harishchandra in the year 1913. The biggest achievement that Dadasaheb had was that his first movie became the first ever Indian film, which was screened in the London in 1914. Gradually, the industry witnessed immense growth, especially during 1917 to 1932, but the movie production declined during the Second World War. The modern film industry came into existence somewhere around 1947. During this time, the movies that were released mainly focused on the common man's miseries. They focused on shining a light upon slavery, prostitution, polygamy among the others. The 50s and the 60s are known as the golden age in the Indian cinematic history. This era alone saw the magnanimous rise of exceptionally great actors like Guru Dutt, Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar, Meena Kumari, among many more. Next, along with the improvisation and refining of the acting sector of the industry, the musical sector or industry began gaining predominance by playing an essential role in the making of the movies. Let's come to next slide, that is evolution of Indian cinema. The cinema, otherwise known as a motion picture or film, brings joy and excitement to a lot of Indians. Nextly, films in itself have encountered evolution from the cinema with no color to the cinema now which is full of colors, from the multiple reels to the single show reel, from zero graphics to animation, and from single take artist to no comments. Indian filmmakers call the era after the end of British Raj as the Golden Era, from the 1940s to 1960s. Next, the films which had songs, dance, fights and so-called heroism were equally dominating the Indian film industry. These films were and are also called as full-fledged commercial films. Let's go to next slide. The father of Indian cinema. Dundiraj Govind Phalke, popularly known as Dada Saheb Phalke, was an Indian producer, director, screenwriter known as the father of Indian cinema. Dada Saheb Phalke made 95 movies and 26 short films in his career, spanning 19 years till 1937, including his most noted works like Mohini, Bhasmasur in 1913, Satyavan Savitri in 1914, Lanka Dahan 1917, Sri Krishna Janma 1918, and Kaliya Mardhan in the year 1919. Next, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for Lifetime Contribution to Cinema was instituted in his honor by the Government of India in 1916 or 1969. The award is one of the most prestigious awards in Indian cinema and is the highest official recognition for film personalities in the country. Let's come to next slide, that is Bollywood. Hindi cinema, often known as Bollywood and formerly as Bombay cinema, is the Indian Hindi language film industry based in Mumbai, which was formerly called Bombay. The industry is related to the cinema of South India and other Indian film industries, making of Indian cinema the world's largest by number of feature films produced. Next, the most popular commercial genre in the Bollywood since the 1970s has been the masala film, which freely mixes different genres including action, comedy, romance, drama and melodrama along with the musical numbers. Lastly, alongside commercial masala films, a distinctive genre of art films known as parallel cinema has also existed, presenting various content and evidence of musical numbers. Let's come to next slide, that is importance of Bollywood. Bollywood, Hindi language sector of the Indian movie making industry that began in Bombay, now Mumbai, in the 1930s and developed into an enormous film empire. Next, over the years, several classic genres emerged from Bollywood, like the historic epic, notably Mughal-e-Azam, which was released in 1960, the Curry western such as the Sholay in 1975, the quotation film such as Pakiza in 1972, which highlights stunning cinematography and sensual dance choreography. Next, at the turn of the 21st century, the Indian film industry, of which Bollywood remained the largest component, it was producing as many as 1,000 feature films annually in all of India's major languages and in a variety of cities, and international audiences began to develop among South Asians in the United Kingdom and in the United States. Let's come to next slide, that is what are the impact of Bollywood on Indian culture. The Hindi movie industry, which is based in Mumbai, popularly known as Bollywood, has greatly influenced daily life and culture in India for the decades now. In fact, movies are the mainstay of entertainment and almost a religion in the nation. Bollywood has for long exerted a deep influence on popular Indian fashion. One of the earliest movie influences on Indian fashion was Madhubala's Anarkali, attire in Mughal-e-Azam in 1960, which consisted of long flowing chudidars and kurtas. Next, the Hindi movie industry has also had a deeper impact on Indian society. For example, the film Babel, which was released in 2006, raised the issues of widow remarriage, while Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, which was released in 2001, extolled the virtue of respecting elders. Lastly, Bollywood musicals are full of song and dance, and Bollywood dancing is very popular among girls in India who are keen to learn some art more than any classical dance. Lastly, what are the conclusion in this topic? Cinema has become the most influential art form of the 20th century from its marginal beginnings. It produces highest number of films every year. Whatever may be the quality of the film, they continues to be the popular mass media. Next, films are made of stories, dance, music, drama, photography, painting, architecture, and many other things that we call cinema. Next, cinema has specific means to create imaginary time and space, and utilization of these means defines how cinematic a film is. Lastly, Bollywood has asserted itself as a popular vehicle for discussion, reflection, and social change. That's all about the topic Indian cinema. Hope all of you had liked this video. Thank you. Thank you.